Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rinku Art, and today in this video I'll try to explain you how I draw girl faces. Please watch very carefully as I am using the basic shapes and roughs to complete my drawings. I'll show you two girl faces, one a bit like manga style and another cartoony. So let's get started. Here first I am taking a circle and trying to find the shape of the face. Don't forget to draw the center line and the eye line. It's very important. Now I'll fix a place for the eyes and draw it very roughly, just to get an idea how my character will look like. And don't forget to draw the eyebrows along with the eyes. As this is a manga type character, I am not bothering much about the nose and the mouth. Now the cleanup of eyes. Here I am giving the shape first and deciding how it will look. Take your time to finalizing the eyes because eyes are the most important part in a character. Now the hair part. Here first I'll think which hairstyle suits this face and then I'll try it by drawing on the face. I like the hairstyle on this face, so I'll stick on it and match the face with the hair by drawing the hairs and face once again little darker. The part which you want to highlight, that should be done in darker, like I am doing here with eyes. So after getting your character, you can start darkening your lines. You can always erase the previous lines and make changes. Here I am giving little shadow. This video is about how I draw female faces. So I'm not going to explain you about the body because it will take more time. Maybe I'll make a separate video on this. So here the first girl character is done. Now let's see another character. This character is different than the first, but the procedure is same, like making shapes and figuring out the character. So watch how I am drawing the character till the end.
So this character is also completed. I hope you like this video and I have tried to show you how I design my characters. Please comment me whether this video is informative or not. And if you like this video, please hit thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. If you are here for the first time, then please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification first. So that's it. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.